ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. So an interesting day today. We got that big pop off of PPI in the pre-market session. Had a lot of bullish flow to start, and then we slowly trickled down in calls throughout the day. Had losses of conversions for most of that while SPY dipped. We finished with a red DEX, believe it or not, after all of that. Now let's go ahead and jump into our whale targets and our customer sentiment. So go ahead and check our whale targets real quick here. Customers slid even further away from short to pop mode, and I'll be darned, our 635 whale lower target is now gone. It's now 645. So have some support at 652. At 650, we bounced that late session there before that end of day rip, and now 645 is our lower target. We are back into a neutral spot basically for customers. Let's jump into our gamma. We're sitting around 653. So right here on the ag, let me zoom in a little bit so we can see better. We're right about here in the overnight session, or the AH session, if you will. Biggest pull on the board is still 655. So thin all the way up to 656, and then obviously 665. We'd have to lose a lot of positive gamma clusters to get down into that 644. Let's go ahead and check tomorrow and see what that looks like for our CPI day. Don't forget, we do have CPI before the bell tomorrow. So tomorrow, 9/11, plain and simple, we hold the 653. We get up into 657. Kind of ugly around this area here with all of these positive levels. If for some reason we dip all the way down to 645, then we've got to have a pretty bullish road up to get into our biggest pull, which is 655. So not the cleanest look on the daily, but not too terrible either. We'll really just see how we react to CPI and where we get in on these positive levels, this 650, this 648, this 645, or if somehow we stay above 653 on a CPI reaction and then shoot up. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.